this video, we demonstrate how to transfer bivital sensor data from the devices to your computer, how to export the label file from your mobile device, and how to process the data in Python using the bvital Python library. The bvital devices should already have recorded some data to their internal storage via the bvital app. A separate video tutorial explaining recording with the app is available. We start by downloading data from the bvital devices. To begin, please visit the website www.bvital.eu. It is important to use a Google Chrome-based browser, as the system will not function correctly with unsupported browsers. Navigate to the web toolbox and connect the bvital device to your computer via USB-C. By pressing the Connect button, you can establish a USB connection to the bivital sensor. At the bottom of the web toolbox, you can now view the existing files stored on the bivital and download them to your computer. If you wish, you may now turn off the bvital device. Repeat this process for multiple bvital devices if required. Next, transfer the previously created label file from the mobile device to your computer. Simply connect the device via USB and copy the file from the download folder or wherever it is stored. Now set up the Python environment. This can be done using Conda or a Python virtual environment as shown in the video. In this example, the environment is called bivital_env. After creating the environment, activate it. Install the bvital library using pip. By including the notebook extension during installation, Jupyter Notebook is installed automatically. This is required to run the example code later. The installation process may take some time, but it is worth waiting. To verify that everything works correctly, run the bvital help command and check that the output matches the one shown in the video. Now we begin by creating a new project for data processing. Using bvtool project, you will first be prompted to navigate to the folder where the project should be created. Then enter a name for the project. Next, create a measurement series for this project using bvtool series. Select the previously created project and enter a series name. As the next step, we integrate the bvital records and label files into the project. Use the bvtool data command and select the series where you want to add the data. For the data source, first choose PC and import the bivital record set we downloaded at the beginning of the video. Alternatively, you can download the data directly from the bvital without using the web toolbox. For this method, connect the bvital via USB-C and select bvital as a data source. Repeat this step for each device if necessary. Finally, confirm with the Quit button. The BVital data integration is now complete. Next, add the label file using the bvtool label command. Navigate to the created series and select the label file from your computer. The project is now initialized with data. Now we open the project in Python. You can use the example codes included in the library as a reference. Access them using the bvtool example command and open one of the examples directly in a Jupyter Notebook. To analyze your own data, enter the path to your project folder in Python as shown in the video. Make sure to use the correct slash direction depending on your operating system. After running the notebook code, you can visualize specific sensor values for a selected participant. Feel free to try the different examples and explore the capabilities of the ByVital Python library. Have fun and enjoy. Beep, 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 beep.